तुम्हें शर्म है कुछ?
इतना चुभ रहा है मुझे अंदर से। Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry. So if you are new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And it's been a long, I haven't posted anything on YouTube. I know that it's been 2 months. I was a bit busy with some work, but now I'll try to remain active every single week. I'm gonna post a video. So today video is about whole Diwali makeup look, and see the whole background. I have did this for just Diwali. So I don't have yellow flowers, so I've just adjusted with this pink one. I hope it doesn't matter much. So yes, let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so I have cleaned my whole face. Okay, so can you look at this? वो मुझे नेकलेस पहनने से इतना हो गया, so I have just removed it. And मैंने कैमरा को थोड़ा सा zoom कर लिया है so that you can see and have a look at what's happening on my face. So let's start with the base. मैंने moisturizer पहले ही लगा लिया है. Now I'm gonna apply the serum from Dermaco, and this is how it look like. So it's a 10% niacinamide serum. So I'm just gonna apply this. हमेशा याद रखना कि आपका face moisturize अच्छे से होना चाहिए. मेकअप के पहले you need to have a good clean skin, good clean face, good clean base of skincare. So that is the important thing. Okay, so let's just start with the serum. I'm not touching it, I'm not touching the lid. Touch this thing on your face because it has so much bacteria, like our face have so much bacteria, so you should never touch that lid. So I'm just gonna massage my face a little bit so that it just absorbs into my skin. Okay, so it's been a long, मैंने सीरम लगाया and I think ये अच्छे से मेरे फेस पे absorb हो चुका है. Now I'm gonna go with the primer. If you don't have primer, no worries. Primer इतना important नहीं होता है. Only the important thing is moisturizer, serum, and that's it. Like you are sorted. आपको बस CTM routine करके moisturizer and serum कर लो and that's it. You are sorted. But if you have primer, you can just go with it because primer क्या काम करता है, आपके pores को कम करता है. Okay, so I have My Glam Tinted Perfection Primer and this is how it look like. So I'm just gonna apply where I have pores. This and this side I have like pores, so I'm just gonna apply there. You can apply wherever you want, like wherever you have pores, but don't apply primer on your whole face. That is a wrong thing if you do that, so don't do that. Now I'm just gonna quickly jump into the foundation. Today I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So this is how it look like. Basically this is a toning mist, a rose water kind of. So what I'm gonna do is मैं इस पे थोड़ा सा rose water डाल दूँगी so that it just become like soft and watery. You don't have to do this like a whole watery thing. आपको पूरा blender गीला नहीं करना, just थोड़ा सा गीला, so that you just get a quick good base. So I'm just gonna, it's quite wet now. I think this much is enough because it is a high coverage foundation. Now just dab it like so with a soft hand. Always remember with a soft hand, not with a rough hand. So today basically we're gonna do like not a high eye makeup and not a low, like we're just gonna do a minimal, a subtle look, a subtle makeup. That's what I have think. So I'm almost done with my blending with a very soft neck, and the remaining I'm just gonna apply on my neck. Now I'm just gonna apply the concealer. You can apply whichever concealer you have. Of course you can apply whichever foundation you have. The one I have is the Swiss Beauty concealer and this is how it look like. This
मैंने इसको तोड़ दिया, as you can see, but yeah, इसी से हम काम चलाएंगे.
Okay, so let's try one thing today. The many of them say that you have to keep your concealer under your eyes like so because ये थोड़ा सा bake होता है, so it will give a like nice coverage. And I don't know that it just works or not, but I think let's try today. Like why not? So what I'm thinking is ये जो एक साइड है इसको हम होने देते हैं, 3 मिनट तक रखते हैं एंड इसको हम तुरंत कर लेते हैं अगेन विद अ वेरी सॉफ्ट हैंड. And also if you want to lift up your eyes, apply the concealer like so, the way I have did, so that you will get like the proper uplifting finish. This is how this eye look like, and we have waited like for the 1 minute. I think 1 minute तो गया होगा इसको blending करने में. So I'm just gonna do now this and let's see the result that कुछ होता है या नहीं. So yeah, let's do with this now. This I'm done with the blending, and this is how my both eyes look like. I think it just works a little bit in my opinion, because can you see the coverage of this and this eye? I think it slightly worked in my opinion, not so much, because if I do this thing then यहाँ पे भी वैसा ही रिफ्लेक्शन है जैसा यहाँ पे, but still in my opinion I think ये वाला slightly एकदम थोड़ा सा work हुआ है this according to this. So yes, you can just go with this, it's just gonna work. And of course nose, forehead, and the where you have pigmented areas. Okay, so I'm done with the blending part. What I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna quickly set my eyes with the powder, because वरना crease आ जाएगी अगर मैं set नहीं करूँगी तो. I'm gonna take this fixing powder from MyGlam. Let's do the eyebrows first. I'm just gonna use this MyGlam Stay Defined Brow Powder. This is like 2 in 1. इसमें brow powder भी है and liner भी है, eyeliner भी है. So that is the bonus. We are done with the eyebrows. I'm looking very scary right now, but trust me, this is one of the process. Like यही process होता है जो हमारे makeup को बहुत ही सुंदर बनाता है. So let's go. Let's do the eyeshadow thing. Let's do the eye base first. So I'm gonna use this Manish Malhotra eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go with this lighter shade first. So let's go with the lighter shade. Grab the excess and I'm just gonna apply it. Firstly, I'm just gonna go with the very lighter shade. If you can see, you can go with any lighter shade you have. It's just to be nude, that's it. I'm gonna create a crease line first. So I have this big palette. So in this, I'm just gonna take a lighter shade. I'm just gonna go with this, and this to create like a nice subtle orange eyeshadow look. Okay, so I'm done with the orange eyeshadow thing. It's just giving a nice texture now. I'm just gonna move into the shiny part, and I'm just gonna apply this one right here. फिर से मैं ये जो shiny eyeshadow ये मैं अपने यहाँ पे लगाऊंगी eyebrows के just नीचे. So I'm done with my eyes, and जो ये powder है मैं इसको wipe out कर दूंगी with the brush. Ta-da! Now I'm just gonna apply eyeliner. I'm just gonna use a sugar eyeliner. It's in the shade 01. I'll be back. So let's use this. I'm done with the eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna apply the lashes quickly. Ta-da! मैंने lenses लगा ली है. So now I'm gonna do a contour thing. I'm gonna use this sugar palette. It's in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. And this is how it looks like. I'm gonna use this shade for contouring. I'm gonna take this highlighter. The pigment is amazing, I must say. I'm just gonna highlight the points wherever I need, like on my cheekbones, then on my chin area, and then here some, and of course some here. It's so shiny, right? Now I'm just gonna take a blush of sugar only. I'm done with the blush too. Just gonna apply a little bit kajal, and उसके बाद ही I will apply lipstick. So I have applied kajal, and मुझे नहीं लगता ये इतना बुरा लग रहा है, because I don't apply kajal much. So yeah, that's how it is looking. Do let me know that how does it look like on my face. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply a lipstick, and then yeah, we are good to go. So I'm just gonna use this MyGlam lip liner. It's in the shade VSCO. done with the lip liner. Now I'm gonna apply lipstick. I'm wondering at which shade I should go for. Maybe nude. I think nude will look good. And I'm taking this shade from My Glam. It's in the shade Pai Hun. I think it's looking quite good. I am really loving the look. Should I go for the bindi or not? Wait, let me try that also. I think bindi is looking quite good. I'll keep it. So yeah, this is how my Diwali makeup look like. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if yes, then please like this video, share this video, and do let me know in the comment section that if you want more such videos. And I hope it was super duper easy because we have not did much. And yeah, this is how it look like. I am happy with the look. Do let me know about you, that what are your reviews about this whole makeup look. If you like this video, then comment down below and share it with your friends, families and loved ones. And yep, I'll see you on my next video. Until then, bye, take care, and also happy Diwali.